There's nothing more frustrating than a sink that keeps on losing water. Now, there could be a couple of reasons why your sink is losing water while you're washing the dishes. Firstly, the plug could be leaking. Well, if you replace that and the water's still dropping, then you need to check your waste trap. Well, waste traps over the years seem to lose their shape, and therefore you'll need to replace it. After all, we don't want to lose a precious resource like our water right here in South Africa. I want to show you a quick and easy way on how to replace your waste trap. It is a 10-minute job. Let me show you how. Well, to complete this DIY job, all you need is a waste trap. Firstly, I'm using a Frankie waste trap to replace my current one. You also need pliers, a flat screwdriver, a broad flat tool, and most importantly, you're going to need multi-purpose white putty or window putty. Well, there's several parts to a waste trap. Firstly, there's the strainer, or the plug as we call it here in South Africa. Then you need to take out the assembly screw. The strainer and the neoprene seal, they stay together as a pair, and that'll go in above your sink. And below your sink is the rubber gasket and the waste trap itself, which will go in below. Let's get started. Now, to start off with, we need to loosen the clamp that's holding the waste trap in place. All it is a screw. Take your flat screwdriver, loosen the clamp, wiggle it loose, and then just take this pipe and pull it off from the waste trap. At this point, I suggest getting a piece of newspaper and putting that below the waste trap. That will just stop all that dirt from collecting on the shelf below. Now the next part is loosening up the waste trap by undoing the assembly screw. Then we have to remove the old seal. Now this was sealed off with silicone. I suggest don't do that, rather use window putty. So in order to get a clean surface, let's take this all off. Now before we put the new waste trap in, we need to create the seal between the waste trap and the sink itself. Now to do that, we're going to use this window putty. Take a good dollop out, rub it between your hands and make a nice long sausage, and we're going to use this as the seal on the sink itself. The following step is to take your drainer and neoprene seal and place that on top of the putty. The next step is to take your waste outlet and rubber gasket. Now, if you can just see carefully, this rubber gasket has got 3 seals around it, which means you don't have to put anything on this. This fits below your sink itself. Put it in place, in position from below, and all you have to do is take that assembly screw and screw everything together. So tighten your assembly screw as tight as possible, and while you're tightening it, you'll see that the putty moves out of the way, but that means your seal is taking nice and firmly. Tight is not a problem at all, so make it nice and firm. And the final step in this quick DIY job is to tighten the clamp and waste pipe in place. It is all done, nothing left to do but to let it cure for 12 hours. That putty needs to harden quite a bit before you'll be able to use it once again. That's it. Get to builders, get it done. For more tips and information, visit our website, our social media links, or check out our YouTube channel.